Welcome back, YouTube. We got here project 2012 F250 Super Duty. It's my buddy's truck. Pictures are deceiving, I'll tell you that. Minimal rust. It's really bad. It's really bad. We're gonna fix it though. This is his dream truck, and we're gonna bring it to life. We're gonna bring this to life. I don't know how yet, but we're gonna bring it to life. Yeah, let's take a look at the inside. Say hi, Rob.
What's going on?
How you like your dream truck?
Oh, this is great.
It's got what, 120 on it?
Yep, like 119, I think.
It's got a lot of potential. It's just really been neglected. Like really been. It looks like a grease bomb blew up in here. This was somebody's work truck, and they took it working to another level. And we saw it in the nighttime, and now this is the first time looking in the daytime. And your boy's discouraged, but we're gonna get him right. We're gonna get him right.
Oh no.
You know, I don't know what happened here. Somebody was hungry. This must have been the midnight snack. This was dinner. But I mean, I would say I've seen worse in this kind of truck, but I haven't.
Not for this year.
It's a 2012, man. It looks like, almost looks like it came from the auction. A lot of rust. It's all stuff we can grind down with the wheel. Wheel bearings are fucked. Rust. Let's go underneath. Rust. Okay, so basically this is gonna be a one of those Ford F250 Sema trucks. That's the goal here. You guys probably don't know, but I have one. Okay, this is where he got the brilliant idea from. This is my Sema truck. She's dirty because we picked up his truck with my truck in New Hampshire. She's really dirty, but this is a clean truck. I bought this truck in about 3 years ago. 3 years ago, bought this truck. She is clean. I take really good care of it. Down south truck, never neglected. Bought it freight from the dealer. 6.7. You know, got the rock climbers on it. I'm gonna do a video on this truck soon. I don't have the key on me. Yeah, do I have the key on me? Let's see here. Well, we're gonna get to it. And I'll do a video on my truck and updates on his truck, and what we find out on his truck, which I don't know yet, but we'll find out. Stay tuned.